I'm doing the splits right now. I'm right in the face. Check, John.
That was a bit sketchy at the top of there then.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
Hi guys, I'm back. It's been a while since I've been riding and I'm so excited. It's still dark out, so I've had to put my light on, which is very bright, and I'm tired. I forgot everything this morning, so I've now got to go back to my house to go get something else that I forgot. Then we're going to get going. Got like a 2.5 hour drive, so yeah, it's an exciting day. I got a brand new GoPro Hero 12. So I'm so excited. We're going to go use it today for the first time. I've put the mod pack on because I like to talk to the camera. I also have the GoPro 11, which I'm going to give to my friend. He's going to ride with that on, so hopefully we'll get more footage than normal. I also got the chest mount, which my friend's going to wear the chest mount because on a woman, or on me, the chest mount just doesn't really seem to work. Like, I don't know, it just sits in the wrong place and it doesn't get the right things filmed. So I'm going to be running with the chin mount, but this is my chin mount that I just bought off Amazon. It's not a GoPro one because the GoPro one I believe is a clip, and I haven't tried that yet, but maybe I need to try it. So GoPro, if you want me to run one of them, I'll try run with the clip. Maybe that's easier because you can just take it on and off. I just feel like it's going to fall off. But yeah, maybe I should try it. But yeah, we're going to run with the GoPro Hero 12. So excited! Thanks so much, GoPro. Can't wait to use it, and that'll be what this footage is on today. Unless it's a view of me, then it'll be on the 11. But I'm using the 12. 12's going to be on me. Here's the bike. We got here and it was absolutely chucking it down, like belting it down. We're like, oh no! But you know, when you're on the road for a while, you just want to ride. You don't even care what the weather's like, especially enduro. Like motocross, probably no, I'd turn around and go home. But enduro, you just deal with it, don't you? I just want to say, like, big thanks to everyone on my latest reel. Not my latest reel, but a reel, like, a couple of days ago. It was about a guy that put a negative comment. I know YouTube, you get a lot of negative comments. Like, you guys love it on here to give a negative comment. But there's a lot of positives. I get so many positives, so thank you so much to all you guys that give me positive comments. Like, I read them all and I love them. Thank you so much. But the guy that put a negative one, I like put it on a post, and oh my god, it's got so much love, and especially from the girls. Like, I've wanted to reach out to girls, get more girls to see my content, to watch it, to enjoy it, and I just don't know how to. Like, people that aren't necessarily into bikes, like, I want them girls to like have a look and maybe watch and think, oh, I want to give that a go and like come try it and stuff. Like, that would be mint, but I don't know how to reach them and to get to them. This post seems to have got to so many girls and I love it. Thank you so much. Everywhere, you. I'm sorry everyone, I'm probably going to have to shout today because I think the front mic's on and not the back one, but I don't know how to get the back mic on this new 12. Maybe I should have looked at that before I came. And last time I came here with these guys, right, they took me on a warm-up that was definitely not a warm-up. It was so hard. But and I didn't take my GoPro out with me, so this time on the warm-up I'm taking my GoPro. But I think they learned their lesson last time, to be honest. I did moan a little bit, but then I was okay. See, look, how is this a warm-up? Whoa! I was doing fine, but then I stalled. I was doing fine. My hands are freezing.
Still warm up.
Let's tighten her up a bit. There we go. I'm on super view, so it should be okay. And I'm probably going to shout the forest down today. John's got a camera on to do today. I gave him my 11. So hopefully, well,
hopefully getting a view of... Oh, it's going to be wet today. Shoggy. I don't know whether to follow them or just go my own route, to be honest. These two are not to be trusted to follow. I've got my shoulder brace on today as well, so yeah, hopefully my shoulder will stay in. If not, my back brakes went in. Oh no. That is not good. I can't really reach it. My back brakes like bent in a little bit. So when we go back after, we'll just bend it. Hello, why can't I turn it off? It's just like bent. I couldn't get my foot on it. Like not like really bad, but see how far in it is.
Oh yeah. You just need to give it a...
Yeah.
Make the noise.
You've got to do noise.
Hi!
Hey-ya! Don't slap it. Well, it's not that much better, is it, John? Look at this. At least someone brings tools. Don't know what I'd do if I went out on my own. Take my own tools, maybe.
I was going to say, yeah, you could do that.
Oh, look at that. It's like a new brake lever.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, I can probably find it a bit better now. I was going down going, where is it? Oh no, I think this is that hill. I hated this hill when I did it. I don't like down, the big down. Oh my god, this is steep. I had my leg out the whole time. Right, we got it. Woo! Oh my god, Neil. This is still the warm-up. Oh my god. Trying to keep my feet on the pedal. I sit down just for no reason.
I was sitting down, I think. It's just sloppy. Horrible.
Warm up, yeah? Oh my god! Ah! I was gonna wave then and I was like, no, don't do it, Anya. And the only reason why I didn't do it is because we're at the start of the ride. So he would have definitely got me back. Ooh.
That looks a bit sketchy at the top of there then.
I went up it going, no, that's too steep. Oh shit, I'm up there now.
And then you're like, oh, I'm going into orbit.
So Neil's just said, well, I was going to think about doing the horrible climb up there and traversing across. And now he's heading there, so looks like we're doing the horrible climb. Yay! way. Look at the view though. The view is amazing. Woo-hoo! Look at that. Where's this horrible climb you're taking us on, Neil?
Has it been nice today? Oh God.
What do you mean it'd be nice today? You just said it's horrible.
Well, you never tell, can you? We'll see. The first bit's alright, just keep the momentum going.
Oh, I'm good at that, aren't I, John? Yeah, sound. Sounds like we're starting off brilliantly. Just keep your momentum. Yeah, the one thing
and look ahead.
The one thing I do is I go, yeah, nah. Here he is with a cheeky smile. Why was the big hill? That made it up once.
I don't know.
We go then you go down a bit, then and then it's that big long hill.
Yeah, a big bird at the bottom and it shoots up. Yeah. I don't think we're going to do that because I don't think it's doable today.
Okay.
But just second gear and up.
Second gear, I don't know what gear I'm in. Neutral.
Yeah, you can't move anywhere in that.
Nah. Don't think that one's going to work. I should have stood up and I sat down. I'm sorry. But I'm not sorry because I did it. I'm doing the splits right now. Oh well, we're here now. Maybe I can go up there. Yeah. Can I cheat and move that? It's a bit of a long tree. Oh. Well, we can go to there. Nice intro back into it though. Oh yeah. The lad said let's come do this climb. This is where we're at the minute. We've got one over here. We've got one over here somewhere. And I'm here. Oh, I don't know. We might never get out of here. It is so slippy today. Like grippy and then slippy. Do you mind? Bloody 2 strokes. Oh, sorry for the macho shoulders. Macho shoulder. I've got a shoulder brace on. And if my face looks weird, we're on Superview. Superview. 2 strokes, so noisy. It ain't happening. We ain't getting out of here. Oh my god, it's so bad. Neil's over there, just stuck in the woods somewhere. I'm stuck here. Every time I try and move, I just go further down. And there's a big drop there, so we're not going down. Neil's just chatting to himself. Don't know what he's saying. He brought us in here, so it's his fault. I'm just going to go that way. We're a man down, we've lost Neil. We're trying to head back out now. No, we're going in here. I don't care what you say, bike. Why? Nope. Enduro is so fun. I love to do enduro. But when you hit things like that, steer the tyres. No grip anywhere. I need to do that static balance stuff I was doing.
You might have shit your boat here.
Oh my god, I got a nest in there. Can't even see me tyres, me Rebel tyres. Here he is!
Went on my own magical mystery tour. Lifting in action.
How did that go?
It's alright, see?
Yeah? It's not even rain, it's hailstone.
I don't know what it is.
Or
it's just
snow.
Like...
Look, hang on, let me grab some.
Like a
Is that snow or... I do need to practice all stuff like that, but I'll get there. Like even just doing stuff today, and then the more I do it, I'll get there eventually.
Too much to try and get up there today. I know that.
Shall we go get somewhere like out of the...
Yeah.
Because we're like just getting wet here talking.
Yeah, that's true. You're on camera.
I was always told feather the back brake, going down these things. I'm feathering! Oh my god. It's rocky. Sorry! I wanted a better line. I nearly went over the front. Oh my god. I really want to stand on my pegs. Keep taking my foot off. There you go. There you go. Ah! What it's like riding in the UK in the winter. I didn't have my GoPro on, but John just got me soaking. He got me right in the face. I don't know if I can turn it around and you can see it, but he got me right in the face. Cheers, John.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby.